Okay, now we are in part 3, and I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF document. Let's say, remember, in 2.1, I show you how to transfer your contracts, your addendums, whatever you receive into your app file. Now it's time to learn how to edit the document. So I'm going to open the document, and here is the contract, right? This is the contract, 13 pages. Um, and it looks like this is just a proof of funds. Okay, so this is what we need. You open it, first step. Second step, you go to edit. Edit. This word, every page has this little word, edit. Just click on one of them. And this is to convert to an editable format. That means you are able to write and make corrections. Right now, if I click on it and I hit my keyboard, nothing happened. But look at the moment this happened now. Edit, convert. Now it says save a copy of the original. I don't need the original. Why? I have it in my email. I don't need that extra copies. I just click start conversion. It's converting right now the PDF, the dead piece of paper, digital paper, into a editable format, which is now is you are an add edit page element. And here are the tools. It comes with tools. So understand that this system, it is a powerful, easy to use system. It's a paperless system. So in other words, I'm hoping you guys don't print and destroy my printer in my office anymore. You don't need to print documents. Anything that you can do with your hands, you can do it in this system as long as you learn how to use the system properly. And that is my job to show you. So now, here we are. They offer 269. Now, number one thing, honor of record. That's not valid. It has to show. So this is not good. How do you correct that? Well, I look at my elements here. You have to put a line, right? So I look and I say add strike through. Oh, single line, multi-line. Oh, single. And I click and now that line I selected. If you see that right now it's like purple. The moment I select it, it's yellow. And then look at the mouse. I can move it anywhere I want. I can stretch it, shrink it, move it. I don't right there. Now, once you cross something, what is the next step? Once you do something in the contract, once you make a change in the contract, you have to put initials. So I go to add initials here. And then I said, okay, this is the what? The seller. So I go to seller and I said seller. You see seller, seller 2, seller 3, seller 4, seller. Display date, I don't need it unless this was the last initial. We don't know yet because I'm going to make a counter. I select, place it somewhere here. Good. But now I forgot to put the name. So I go to add element and I can add a text, a paragraph, a checkbox. I need a text. And then I go here and then I put the name. I can make it bold. Boom. Grab the name, place it, grab the initial. And now that's a legal change that I done. So now we got so far so good. Now price, we're going to counter that. So grab the line, move it, shrink it, put the initial, but we're missing the number, right? So I go to text, and I want to counter 350. This is just an example, guys. This property I sold it already. So boom. Here we go. That's a legal chain. 5,000 deposit, balance. Balance what? Balance for me is balance, has to balance. So I like to put the right, so I go to text. What is the balance? 350 minus $5,000 deposits. That will be what? 345, right? I can make it small so it fit there. Here we go. Now, because I make a change and I'm going to replace the balance, we need to put what? The initials. Boom. That's it. Now we need to put the initials on every single page. Now, for this, I tend to do this, but I'm not going to do it because you guys not going to. I shrink, I minimize the window so it's more handy for me. Let me do it. So I work quicker. You guys see that? I don't have to be moving the window back and up and down. So how did I shrink it? You go to here in your corner, you have this little button, and then you have zoom. You can minus, you can plus. You can zoom in, zoom out. You guys see that? I'm moving quick. Look how long it's taking me. Some of you guys take 2 days to do this. No, it's not acceptable. Oh, okay, now we go to the signature page. Make it big now. Signature. So now seller. So now we go to add signature. Who will represent? The seller. Where's the seller here? Seller here. Now this one has the date, you see, by default, because yes, in a signature you want the date. Here's the date. I click on the date and drag it where it goes. The signature, I can move it, center, whatever you want, and it's good to go. Once you're ready, you close, ready to send for signature. Okay, I'm coming on the next video on how to send for signature on video part 4.